Okay, it's now day 18, and
I'm missing, bro.
my cousin Liam is still
And I decided to join the series.
still missing.
Wait, is this a series?
What?
Oh, I fall. I almost died.
Guys, I am pretty sure you remember this ugly house.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you remember this.
This zombie.
This is my old home, my gosh. Time to kill you, Mr. Creeper. Die. How did you... Okay. Never mind. Liam is still lost. And if you wondered, I haven't posted in my hardcore world because I was too lazy. And now I'm recording. You guys thought I died. If you thought that, then I don't care.
Yay.
I also burned down here, look. Liam, in day 17, Liam was now moving up.
I tried.
Who hit? Oh my gosh, there was a
A
creeper.
giant hit me with a trident.
Liam was moving out of village, blah blah blah, and I burned down a village house which is right here. I burned it down because I don't know what to do. Nothing. I burned it down. I'm not lying. I just wanted.
I'm gonna use a golden axe and see how fast it breaks, because gold is one of the it breaks easy.
And I don't know where Liam is. I'm just gonna try to find him.
I'm missing. I don't even know where I am. I am like in the middle of nowhere.
Oh my gosh.
I wanna see
Someone mined here. And I don't know who. Because it wasn't me.
I guess it was me.
Yeah, I think it was you. Time to find you. Because I know where you go. I know you went in this direction. Because I saw.
My golden axe broke.
Bruh. And if you wonder where I got this, I didn't craft it in this. I got it from that ruined portal. And I was not ready to go to the nether because I suck.
Bro,
And
this golden axe has so much enchantment. It
Bruh.
literally has Unbreaking 3, Fortune 2, Bane of Arthropods IB, and Efficient IB. That's adequate too much. It's literally gonna break so fast, even though it has Unbreaking 3.
Okay.
Bro, that's so hard.
Bruh. And guys, I know he went here because I saw. Hello? Hello. Okay, should I go? Yeah. Try to find him, but what if I get lost? I didn't bring a bed, but I don't care. I do not care if I there is a freaking wolf. I don't think I wanna tame it. It's cold in here. A baby wolf.
Baby wolf.
Berries. I love
Wow,
berries.
I found the golden hat. I think a zombie died here. Because there's literally a rotten flesh.
Guys, I'm literally finding so many berries. It's like I found 16 berries.
I don't
Wait,
know
time
where-
to write in my journal.
Are you
Day
Wait,
18
are you
Lewis.
live or are you making a video?
Minecraft.
Oh.
Making a video. And Liam
I
is still
think-
missing.
I don't know.
I decided
I wanna see a secret so
decided
bad.
to find him. Okay, I decided to find him. Oh, more
Whoa.
berries.
I see a ruined portal.
Liam, wherever you are, just go straight. I don't know why.
I'm gonna go in the ocean.
Yes.
No, I don't have a boat.
So,
I can make a boat, but I don't.
you
wanna.
can swim.
No, it's too long. I can't walk. But no, I can't.
Oh, there's foxes. Hello, Mr. Fox. Come here. I told you to come here or I will kill you and your friends. You didn't listen to me, I will kill your friend. Come here. I just killed him. And I need to eat. Guys, what if it turns night and I don't have a bed? Probably I will die.
I'm gonna go in the ocean so I don't have to sleep. I'm gonna go
What?
straight. Because you told me to go straight. Oh, I do not know how to use this thing.
Hey, stop, stop, stop that.
Oh no, I'm turning.
Yeah, no. Nope, I am not messing with that ugly thing. Run.
I'm gonna find the shipwreck so bad.
I think I lost him.
Why do I keep bragging about it?
Hi. Do you want to be friends? Okay, never mind. Do not go there. Did you kill a sheep?
No.
No, here.
Might be a zombie
Did
or a wolf.
did you kill that sheep?
No.
Then who killed it? I didn't kill it.
Oh, I own.
There is too much wolves in here. And did you know, guys, the new wolf Mojang added the brown.
Why is my hungry bar?
You know what? I can't find Liam and I would probably go back. You know what? I would go back to save my cousin. You know what? Never mind. Okay, never mind. I will just go and do an adventure. And what if I get lost? It's all my fault. And Liam's fault.
I see an island, but I don't know where it is.
How do you what?
Oh, this is so. Okay, this is so hard to find the island.
You know what? I'm just gonna go back, not even gonna help him.
No.
Bro, you're the one who got lost.
No.
Why did you try to go to the adventure? You should just stay there until you find your way back home. Wait! Liam. What? What? Guys, how did this work? How is the water not going here? That does not make any sense. Am I a noob or is
Let's
this
go in night.
really common? Oh my gosh, it's turning nighttime. So I be better go back. Now I'm lost. I don't even have a bed. I don't think I'm lost because I just have to go straight and then go back here and then go here. That's what I was saying. These kind of wolves that Mojang added. I was surprised when I saw them. No talking. The ruined portal, so that means we are close. And of course, we can't touch the magma because it will burn us. I lagged.
Bro, I found the snow. I found snow.
What?
And I am in the middle of nowhere, and I just found.
Nope, I'm not. Nope, not dealing with that. If you actually hurt me, I will actually kill you.
I found this tree.
Don't tell me. Nope, nope, not. No. I am getting. Liam, just sleep.
I can't. I don't know.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I see what you're doing. You're going to ice. I'm gonna off the mic. Guys, bye bye. I will make this kind of video, so bye guys.
We're gonna do a transformation in hide and seek. It's basically like you can transform into any animal, and you, if you're the seeker, you're gonna try to find out who is the
It's
animal.
morph and seek. We're gonna play hide and seek, but you can morph into animals.
Yeah, you
Bye,
can
guys.
change it anytime.
Yeah, bye guys.